Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a 3D room. This is great for students who are just beginning interior design or if you just want to add a 3D art project to your repertoire. You're going to need some TAGBOARD or MATBOARD works just fine, a ruler, marker, X-Acto knife, and tape. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to divide our 1 foot by 1 foot MATBOARD or TAGBOARD square equally in half, vertically and horizontally. So we're going to end up with 4 6-inch squares. Alright, our MATBOARD is now divided into 4 quarters equally. I'm going to use an X-Acto knife, using the ruler to guide the cut. I'm going to start off by scoring the TAGBOARD. It's probably going to take me 6 or 7 passes to cut through. I'm not trying to cut through in the first pass. I'm just going to cut through by going through it multiple times, and it should just lift right off. Next, score the remaining 2 lines. Now fold your board inward. Now unfold your board and position it like so. We're now going to make the measurements for the door and the window. The door is going to start halfway across, so I'm going to put a line at the 3-inch mark, both on the bottom and on the top, and draw a line straight down connecting those two. I'm then going to measure 1 inch over. Do the same thing on the top, and I'm going to measure 1 inch over from the right side as well and create a vertical line. And that's going to be the side of our door and the side of our window. The door is going to start at the bottom and it's going to go 4 inches up. The top of the window is going to line up with the top of the door, so I'm going to make a 4-inch mark on the right side as well. And I'm going to draw a line connecting those 2 marks. The window is going to start 2 inches from the bottom and is going to be 1 3/4 inches wide. So we have a little space in between the door and the window. Alright, let's connect those. And we're going to split that window right in half vertically, so that's going to be 3/4 inch. And we're going to make a series of cuts along the right side of the door, the top of the door, and the bottom. The left side of the door, we're not going to cut through, we're going to score that. And now we can go ahead and push that door right open. For the window, I'm going to make a series of cuts right down the middle, the bottom, and the top. going to go ahead and cut right through. Now I'm going to turn the tag board over, grab my pencil. I'm going to draw a line over those cuts I just made. And I'm going to draw a line connecting the left and right side. And that is where I'm going to score. And we can pop that window right out. So the window folds out and the door folds in. And there you have it. There's your 3D room, and now you can go ahead and tape it together. And now you can go ahead and finish it up by decorating it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.